Hello everyone! Welcome back to DOK GILMAC Online Tutorial, Basic Mathematics Tutorial. The topic I will be discussing for today's tutorial is all about division of fractions. How do we divide two fractions? In dividing two fractions, get the reciprocal of the divisor and proceed as a multiplication. Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. What is the reciprocal of the divisor? The reciprocal of the divisor is the inverse of the divisor. That is, both numerator and denominator of the divisor are interchanged. Let's have illustrative example number 1. Divide 1/2 divided by 3/4. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. As you can see, 3/4 is the divisor. So therefore, we have 4/3 as the reciprocal. From here, we can now perform multiplication. So we have 1/2 times 4/3. As you can see, 2 and 4 have a common factor of 2. So therefore, we can cancel out their common factor. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have 1 times 2 all over 1 times 3. So this is just equal to 2/3. Let's have illustrative example number 2. Divide 4/5 divided by 8/15. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. Take note, 8/15 is the divisor. So we have 15/8 as the reciprocal. So therefore, we can now perform multiplication. So we have 4/5 times 15/8. As you can see, 4 and 8 have a common factor of 4. 5 and 15 have a common factor of 5. Therefore, we can cancel out their common factors. So we have 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So from here, we have 1 times 3 all over 1 times 2. This is just equal to 3/2 or simply 1 and 1/2. Recall, changing mixed number to improper fraction. 2 and 3/4 is just equal to 4 times 2 plus 3 all over 4 or 8 plus 3 all over 4. This is just equal to 11/4. So take note of that. Let's have illustrative example number 3. Divide 1 and 3/4 divided by 3 and 1/2. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. Change the given fractions into an improper fraction. Take note, the given fractions is a mixed fraction. Okay? So we have 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So we have 7/4 divided by 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 7/2. So take note, 7/2 is the divisor. So we have 2/7 as the reciprocal. So from here, we can now perform multiplication. 7/4 times 2/7. Cancel out their common factors. So we have 4 divided by 4, by 2 I should say, is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. We can cancel out 7. So we have 1. So from here, we have 1 times 1 and 2 times 1. So this is just equal to 1/2. Let's have illustrative example number 4. Divide 2 and 3/5 divided by 3 and 2/8. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. Change the given fractions into an improper fractions. So we have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3. So we have 13 over 5 divided by 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2. So we have 26 over 8. Therefore, we have 8 over 26 as the reciprocal. Then we can now perform multiplication. 13 over 5 times 8 over 26. 13 and 26 have a common factor of 13. So we can cancel out 13 divided by 13 is 1. 26 divided by 13 is 2. So we have 1 times 8 all over 5 times 2. As you can see, 8 and 2 have a common factor of 2. So we can cancel out 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 1 times 4 over 5 times 1. Or this is simply equal to 4 over 5. Let's have illustrative example number 5. Divide 3 and 5 over 9 divided by 16. The divisor is a whole number, 16. This can be written as 16 over 1. So therefore, the reciprocal is 1 over 16. So from here, we can now perform multiplication. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5 is 32. So we have 32 over 9 times 1 over 16. 16 is the common factor of 16 and 32. So we can cancel out their common factor. 32 divided by 16 is 2. 16 divided by 16 is 1. So we have 2 times 1 over 9 times 1. So this is just equal to 2 over 9. Okay, so cancel out 1. So that is just equal to 2 over 9. Again, I would like to thank you for watching. Stand by for my next tutorial. May God bless us all.